So grade 6 girls, today it's 3rd March and let us continue our lesson, digestive and excretory system. I've almost explained you everything about digestive and excretory system. Only the last part of the video was left where you can see the picture more clearly and you can see how
it's very important for your body to keep a
and how everything, how the nervous system, how the circulatory system, digestive, everyone, they work together, how the urinary system, how our urine is collected in the urinary bladder. And again, you have drawn the structure of urinary system.
Can you identify these parts of the digestive system?
Okay.
Drag to the correct location.
Now this is your turn to do it. I'll call out your name and you will help me out with that, okay? All right, now the first picture here, what is it? Vatin, the first one and the second one, tell me. The second is easy, of course. The first and second picture. Can you tell me, Vatin? Hello, are you listening to me? Vatin?
Yes.
Yes. So, can you tell me the first and second picture? What is the first picture?
Yeah.
What is it?
The pancreas.
Very good. And what is the second picture? Second one.
Wait. Stomach.
What are you doing? Malak, what is this? From which the food passes down? Come on, Malak.
Yes.
Malak.
Esophagus.
Ghalia. Let others do it.
Malak, can
Oh, miss, I didn't know.
It's okay, it's okay.
Yeah, miss.
What is this picture? Malak first. Have a chance, give chance to Ghalia. What is this picture?
Yeah, it's the large intestine.
It is small intestine. The large one, sorry, it's large intestine, yeah. The small one is like, Ghalia, what is this?
This is mouth.
And the next one?
Mouth. Liver.
Yeah. And the last one I will do, small intestine.
The digestive system starts with the mouth and includes the esophagus, stomach, small intestine, and large intestine, as well as organs such as the pancreas and liver that secrete digestive enzymes and chemicals.
Okay. So, Ghalia, will you just tell me, because you have all the pictures, you tell me how do the food go inside?
When you swallow it, it goes to your stomach, your digestive system.
Then, directly from your mouth, does it go to stomach directly from your mouth?
No. No. Yeah.
From your mouth to the stomach directly? It doesn't have esophagus in between, it has esophagus. And then, after stomach, where does it go?
To your kidney?
No, the food doesn't go to the kidney. No way.
No. The excretory system.
What is it? The small intestine and then large intestine. And liver and pancreas, you listen to this because I know that you're weak in this part. These they have done last year and again they are doing now. And they don't even attend the classes. So please listen to this very carefully.
Can you identify these parts of the digestive system?
Okay,
Drag to the correct.
Okay, large intestine, stomach. I'm just doing it again so that you can hear that. Mouth, small intestine, and esophagus. Now listen to this here. What's your name? Valia.
The digestive system
Yeah.
starts with the mouth and includes the esophagus, stomach, small intestine, and large intestine, as well as organs such as the pancreas and liver that secrete digestive enzymes and chemicals.
Okay, did you get it now?
Yeah.
What your blood, after the intestine, they absorb the food that goes into the bloodstream. Of course, in bloodstream, the nutrients, when they go, they are mixed with the liquid. That blood goes to the kidney, and that, it also goes to lungs to get purified. It goes to kidney where the unwanted material is gone to the it mixes with the water and it is come out as urine. That is to the excretory system, that is urine. But here in the digestive system, the small intestine and large intestine is involved. That is excretory system, where the urine, the water part is being said. Here, the solid part which comes out from anus. I wish you were here and we went to lab. We had gone to lab last year. Inshallah, next year when you are with me here again, inshallah, if Allah persists, if Allah wants, I can, inshallah, show you all once again.
In which of these organs does most of the absorption of nutrients take place?
This is a very important thing again. Ghalia, once again, where do you think the nutrients are absorbed? Large intestine, stomach, or small intestine?
Small.
Very good. Small intestine. This is mashing of food where it mixes and make it as a juice. And then it goes to small intestine where the cilia, the hair inside the small intestine, they try to absorb the nutrients, and the leftover they send to large intestine. And liver is responsible to break the fats, the break molecules. So your answer is excellent, correct. It is small intestine.
Right. The small intestine continues to break food down, but also passes nutrients back into the bloodstream.
Very good.
Can you correctly identify the parts of the digestive system? Drag to the correct location.
Okay, again, Ghalia, I'm so sorry to ask you once again, but this will make you perfect. Tell me, which one is a digestive system, which is not? Kidney, is it a digestive system? Kidney. Ghalia?
Yeah.
Is kidney a digestive system? Is it part?
No.
Not a part. It is external. How about stomach?
Yeah.
Yes. How about urethra?
No.
No. Nephron?
No.
It's present inside the kidney, so it is not. Ureter?
No.
Esophagus?
Yes.
Well done. Excellent.
Great job.
You know about this, that's why I'm not asking you. Okay, I know that you and Vati know about this very well.
The excretory system removes waste from the body. The urinary system is an important part of the excretory system. Click each image to see what it does. The kidneys are part of your urinary system. Their first job is to take out the trash. They filter toxins and waste from the blood. Their second job is to make sure every cell in your body maintains a balance of water and salt. So, how does a kidney know what stays and what goes? Inside each kidney are millions of tiny filtering units called nephrons.
So good.
Fluid is
Our kidney, what does it contain inside? We have tiny millions of nephron. What is that called? Yes, Malak, what is inside our kidney? Can you tell me?
Inside of
Tell me what is inside the kidney?
inside the kidney there is
Miss, can I try?
It's called as, yes, Galia?
Nephrons?
Nephrons. Okay, Malak? Remember, inside our kidney, we have millions of nephrons. We have long tubes that makes, and that is responsible to separate, like it acts like a filter, which cleans the blood. Okay?
So, how does a kidney know what stays and what goes? Inside each kidney are millions of tiny filtering units called nephrons. Fluid is separated from blood in a filter called a glomerulus and travels along the long tubes that make up nephrons. Fluid that can be cleaned and reused returns to the bloodstream. In addition, nephrons help to maintain a stable.
Now, girls, why do this ask us to drink a lot of water? Because these nephrons, they need lot of water level inside to keep the blood from be overloaded. Like example, if I don't drink a lot of water, now whatever the bad things which went into nephron that enter into the blood, that doesn't come out of my body, and that's why I feel tired. Again, I have toxins in my body. So that's the reason they say wash up your body daily with water. Washing up is not taking bath. It is like drinking lots of water to clean my kidney. Okay?
okay.
Especially the old people, they need a lot of water. Give your parents, give your grandmother, if you stay with your grandmother, ask them again and again that they need to clean their kidney, they need to drink a lot of water. They might forget in lot of work. It's your duty. Go and give a glass of water to your dad. Go and give a glass of water to your mom and say that you need to drink water. You need to be active by drinking lots and lots of water.
Water
Miss, my
level
mom
in
likes
cells.
drinks water, so, like anytime she's thirsty.
Yes, great.
And keep the blood from being overloaded by toxins. Fluid that cannot be reused continues its journey through the urinary system. Can you guess what this waste fluid is called? It's urine, and it leaves the kidneys through tubes called ureters. Ureters carry it to the bladder, where it is stored.
From the ureters, our urine passes and collects into this urinary bladder. If you are not going to pee, what happens? You feel overloaded, and then after some time, this urine get back to the ureters and go back to the kidney. That's why your mom say never hold your urine, never hold to washroom on time, because you might have urine infection. And that is not good for, especially for kids, especially at your age, girls. It is not good at all to hold urine apart.
Excretory, urinary. What's the difference?
Girls, it doesn't mean only through urine your, something which is waste comes out in the form of water. Even your skin, it releases excess salt from your body. Maybe when you were a kid and you tasted your sweat, it is salty, right? Every kid do that actually. So organs that remove waste products from the body systems are considered part of excretory systems. That sweat is also an excrete, you will listen to it.
Difference between these two systems? The urinary system is part of the excretory system, but other organs are as well. Organs that remove waste products from any body system are considered part of the excretory system. Click to see how organs in other bodies. What's another way to get rid of extra water, salt, and waste? Through the skin, by sweating.
Yeah, I'll do next.
Can you label the various parts of this kidney? Drag the labels to the correct location.
Come on, you are doing this with me. Where is the kidney, my dear Malak? Say me, where is the kidney? And
The kidney,
to the right or to the left?
it's in the left side.
Where should I put it? This is the kidney, okay? And later is that pipe, the pipe where it goes down. Now, girls, artery means away from the heart or towards the heart. If artery means away or towards the heart or away from the heart. Artery means clean blood or oxygenated or deoxygenated blood. Try, I told you, A, artery, A, away. You must remember this, girls. Like, I'll write down so that you never forget in your life. These are the things which, you know, it's like you need to know. These are part of your body. Artery means away from the heart. So they take the blood, good blood, okay, the red blood, the red one. The red blood means the good one with oxygen. It takes red one. So artery is this one, renal artery. And vein means blue. It has the blood which has carbon dioxide. So this is the renal vein. And oh, why is it not flowing? This is the renal vein, artery. This is the vein, and that's the artery.
You got it. The renal artery carries blood into the kidney, and the renal vein carries blood out. The kidney filters wastes and toxins out of the blood, which pass through the ureter into the bladder.
Did you understand? Our kidney has lots of means of nephron where my blood is cleaned up. Okay, and that blood comes inside the kidney from the artery and goes back to from the vein. Okay, now after it is collected, it mixed with water and collected in the ureter. The blood is gone back, the water is in the ureter, that is urine, and collected in urinary bladder.
Which of these structures is a filter inside the nephron? That's right. That's not it. The urethra moves waste out from your body. The glomerulus.
This will be the summary of the lesson. Listen to it.
Great job. You've learned a lot about how liquid and solid wastes leave the body. Before we finish, let's take a quick Great job! You've learned a lot about how liquid and solid wastes leave the body. Before we finish, let's take a quick look at the main points you covered. The digestive system breaks down food so that the nutrients in food can be used by the body. The digestive system works with other systems to obtain and use energy from food. The excretory system removes cellular waste from the body through the lungs, skin, and the urinary system. The urinary system removes wastes and regulates the amount of water in the blood. The kidneys, ureters, bladder, and urethra are parts of the urinary system. Now that you've finished this lesson, if you wish, you can go back and review any part of the lesson again.
So girls, by this I have finished the lesson. Any questions?
No, thank you.
Did you understand the lesson well?
No.
Yeah.
Take care. Have a good day.